Hi guys, this is Hans. Welcome back to my channel. For today, we'll be unboxing my Gucci Sport G Timeless Black Dial Silver Tone Men's Watch. Before anything else, let me say that I will speak in both English and Filipino languages. So for the ones who cannot understand Filipino, so I'm very sorry because I'm not that good in English. I'll try my best, but if ever that I cannot explain it in English, if ever I think I can explain it in Filipino, then I will speak Filipino. Okay? Okay, so this watch, actually, I bought this one 2 years ago in Japan. It was my first time going in Japan. We went to Osaka. We spent 4 days in Osaka, and then after that, we spent another 4 days in Tokyo. When we went to Tokyo, we went to one of the shopping districts there. The name is Harajuku. And we saw this particular store, okay, named Tokia. Okay, so I did not buy this in a Gucci boutique. I bought this one in Tokia, so it's an outlet or a watch outlet. So they sell different kinds of brands, or they sell different kinds of watches of different brands at a discounted price. So every day, it's sale to them. Okay, so imagine yourself, you're a foreigner and you're in Japan, so it's sale at the same time. When you reach a specific amount, it's tax-free. Okay, so the first watch that I bought here in Tokia is, the brand is Storm. I think it's a London-based watch company. But then again, I keep on seeing Gucci. I thought it was fake. Akala ko peke kasi why would they sell a Gucci watch at a discounted price? And they explained to me that they're a direct seller, so they really buy directly from Gucci in Italy, and at the same time, they buy limited number of what they call this, products. So when I bought this one, it's only two. There's only two in the Tokia branch. So yeah. So but actually, this is not just based in Harajuku. They also have one in Osaka, because the last time I went there last May, I went there. I went in Osaka, and particularly in Dodonburi, and I saw Tokia branch, and they also have the exact model. Okay, so the price hasn't changed actually because it's discounted. So there. So when I bought this one 2 years ago, so the SA is Shuhei Yamamoto. You can just contact him here if you want. Gusto mo i-confirm kung nandyan pa siya. And also if ever they have that particular item. Okay? I'm not sure if they have a website. I think they have. Yeah, sorry, they have a website. Okay? So I'll just leave this here. You can pause it. Okay? So let's open this one. So this is some kind of material. I'm not sure what material, but actually I like this one better. Okay, so when you open this one, Janan! So this is the watch. Actually, when I went to Greenbelt, the Gucci boutique in Greenbelt, I want to check if they have this one, and well, somewhat fortunately, they have a similar model, but the face, or the watch face, is white. So I bought this one because it's really good. It's really nice, and it can be worn, let's say, when you're wearing casual attire, and at the same time, if you're attending a formal event, because it's metal. Okay, that's the good thing about this watch. Okay, so let's remove this one. The pillow. I like the pillow actually. I like the material. So the watch face is really nice. It's color black, and then yung sa gitna, I'm not sure kung rubber siya, pero mukha siyang rubber. And it says Gucci Sport. The dials or the numbers is similar to Rolex actually, no? As you can see. And here in this portion right here, sa bottom, it's Swiss made. So this is not your average watch. Okay, so this is Swiss made. So dyan yung colors ng Gucci. Okay, I'll just autofocus. By the way, I'm filming this one using my iPhone 10. So forgive me if nag-shake yung view nyo. Okay, so there's the branding here. There's the official colors of Gucci, so it's red and green. And actually, as you can see, if you're going to see it closely, so letter G siya, no? It forms a letter G. So there, letter G. Okay, so for Gucci, and on the side, it's also Gucci. Actually, I wore this one na. So since I bought this one 2 years ago, I wore this, I think, around 7 times already. Okay, so may mga hairline scratches siya, but you know, I mean, it's still nice. Looks brand new. Okay, let's remove this one. So this is the serial number, just to prove that this is authentic. And of course, when you buy in Japan and when they say it's authentic, it's really authentic. That's the one thing I like about Japanese. They're really honest. The lock here is a butterfly lock, if I'm not mistaken. So butterfly lock siya. So there's a Gucci branding here. It says stainless steel. The focus there. And then another Gucci. So when you lock it, when you lock this, like that. Okay? So when you remove it, when you unlock it, wala siyang ano eh. In other watches, meron siyang parang pindutan dito. Meron siyang parang button just to unlock that one. Pero dito, hindi. You're just going to pull this. Okay? So at the back, it says Gucci water resistant 10 ATM. So you can stainless steel Swiss made. Water resistant siya, so you can wash your hands, or you can walk in the rain and hindi naman siya masisira. But of course, you cannot swim with this watch. But you know, don't worry, because I think Gucci also create or also make they call this diver's watch. Sorry, I use this one as just to remove the smudge. Okay. So according to the website, actually, so it's a stainless steel case with a stainless steel bracelet. So unidirectional rotating black iron plated bezel. Okay. So ito yun. You can actually rotate this one. And I don't know how to use this actually. So for the viewers here, so forgive me if I don't know how to use this, but I'll keep this in its neutral position. Okay. So there. So, let's examine the box. Tignan natin kung ano pa yung nasa loob. Okay. So, it has the notebook. I think this is the care notebook. It's really nice. The material is really nice, and it's embossed. Embossed? I think it's the opposite of embossed. No, sorry, it's embossed, right? Sorry. Okay. And so when they sell this one to direct suppliers, or not direct suppliers rather, outlets, so they have this particular, I'm not sure, but I think they have this particular portion here, no? So this is bought by Tokia, and I bought this one December 23, 2016. Okay, so yeah, so this is an international warranty. So this is to prove that this is authentic. Yeah. Actually, that's it. No? So wala siyang kasamang. I think the box doesn't have any other secret compartments. So there. So let's just put this there. I'll try no, I will not try. I will wear this one. So currently I'm wearing my Apple Watch Nike edition. So this is the Series 3. Okay. Forgive me, I have very hairy hands. So, and I wear, even though I'm right-handed, I wear my watches on my right hand. No, sorry, left-handed. Ah, what's my right? This is my right. Sorry, I got confused. Okay, even though I'm right-handed, I wear my watches on my right hand. Okay, so this is how you wear this. There. There you go. So it looks nice, no? Autofocus, please. There you go. It's really nice. It's also available in other colors. So like what I said, they have the white face. They also have, I think, the NATO strap. Now, aside from the metal strap, metal bracelet, they also have the NATO strap in green and red color, so Gucci color. So if you want to have a watch that screams Gucci, so you can just buy that one. Okay, so this is again, this is Gucci's one. Right? Okay. So when I checked one of the websites of not one of the websites, I think this is a website by eBay. Okay, so here are the details. So case diameter is 42 millimeters. Okay, dial color is black, bezel unidirectional. Hands and markers, luminous silver tone. Okay. Band width is 23 millimeters. Okay, ang clasp, I think this is the clasp. Deployment clasp ang tawag. Hindi pala siya butterfly. So deployment. Okay. So there. For watch aficionados like me, okay, or if you like to own particular luxury brand of watch. Actually, Gucci is not, it's not what do you call this? They're not in the watch industry actually, but they're a fashion house, so this is part of their accessories. But I mean, if you cannot afford a Rolex yet, then you can just buy this one. Actually, this is cheaper, way cheaper than Louis Vuitton's timepieces, and also Burberry and Coach is cheaper, than Gucci. But Gucci's out there. Gucci is an Italian brand. Okay, so Coach is a US brand, no? So I think this is better. Okay, so there. So if you have any questions, feel free to message me. So if I miss anything, then I'm sorry. You can just check the website. You can check eBay. Actually, they sell this one. So this is today. I'm filming. You will see I'm filming at 1:52 a.m. So yeah. So this is the day as of today. The retail price is $995. Okay. So in peso, I think it's around 50,000 pesos. But I bought this one. If my memory serves me right, I bought this one for like in pesos, around 36,000. So it's way cheaper. Okay, so because it's on sale, and at the same time they have discounts tax-free for foreigners. Okay, so there. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Please wait for my next video. This just to give you an idea that my next video will be another Gucci unboxing, but this time this will be a bag, okay, a men's bag. Okay, so there. So I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing, and see you soon. Bye bye.